In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ConvertKit. Whether you're looking to grow your subscriber list or just make capturing leads a bit easier, mastering ConvertKit forms can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to log into your ConvertKit account. Simply head over to the ConvertKit website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is your central hub for all things related to your email marketing. Now from this dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to the Grow section. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. Select Landing Pages and Forms. This area houses all your forms and landing pages, so it's an important place to become familiar with. Next up, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on Create New and select Form from the options provided. Now this is where the fun begins, because ConvertKit offers a variety of form types, such as inline, modal, slide-in, and more. You'll want to choose the form type that best fits the layout and functionality you're seeking for your site. Let's say, for instance, you choose inline. This choice will help to ensure the form seamlessly integrates with the content on your page. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to pick a template. ConvertKit provides a selection of templates that you can easily adapt to match the aesthetic of your website. Choose a template that resonates with your brand's style. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to customize your form. This step is crucial because it's where you get to tweak the text, colors, and fields to align with your branding and the message you want to convey. Be mindful of keeping the design clean and ensuring your message is clear. The more aligned your form looks with your branding, the more trustworthy it will appear to potential subscribers. After customizing, it's time to put that form to use by embedding it on your website. You can do this by copying the embed code and pasting it into your website's HTML, or by simply sharing the form link if you'd prefer to host it externally. Either method makes your form accessible to your audience. Finally, keep an eye on your new subscribers, as ConvertKit's dashboard allows you to track their activities easily. This feature helps you understand how well your forms are performing, offering insights that can refine your future strategies. And there you have it, a fully functioning form in ConvertKit ready to boost your subscriber count. Remember, the key to having an effective form is ensuring it speaks to your audience and encourages them to engage with your content. Thanks for tuning in and happy form building.